His line is Mbe. I am the deputy head of Tony Come and Go. If there is any order, if there is a judgment, if there is any decision by a court of competent jurisdiction, and if it is not adhered to obey, it amounts to contempt of court. And of course, courts are not meant for the funds of it. They are meant to regulate the affairs of men. You could even imagine when there were no court. We were like animals, the society was totally in disorder. But with the presence of court, things are properly organized, things are regulated. If you have any issue, you are not entitled to carry gun, you are not entitled to carry machete. You have to approach court who will address that matter. Because if that is not the situation, people will resort to self-help. And of course, the law uphold that seriously. There are some person you want to think is above the law. The law itself is a respecter of no one. Everybody is equal before the law. That is the standard.
I am Barrister E.E.Su. We want to say that this topic has come in a period where we need it most. We live in the part of the world where people ordinarily feel that things should go their way. If you submit yourself to a court's jurisdiction and the matter is being litigated upon, and eventually the court gives its judgment and is not favorable to you, what you have to do is that if that is not the highest court of the land, you exist in the liberty to appeal the judgment. And in event where that is the highest court of the land, you are supposed to be bound by the decision of the court, given by the fact that that is the rule of law. That is what the law has said. You are supposed to be bound by the judgment of the court, and not to pick and choose as to whether you will be bound or not. That is not. That yes, that is not. You stand by it. That isn't what the rule of law is all about. The rule of law is that what the law says, whether it's favorable to you or not, favorable to your neighbor or not, you must be bound by it, because that is what the law says.
In the first instance, the rule of law means everything has to be done in accordance with the law. And the law is there to direct, to guide us, so that there will be peace and all the benefit that law gives will be provided by obeying the rules of law, either the court judgments, either from the constitution or statutes, whatever law, from the local government to the National Assembly. Everything the law says must be done in accordance with the law. If you subject yourself to the court, that means you have accepted that jurisdiction. Yes.
I am Barrister E.E.Su. We have failed to some extent where most of these rules, or where the rule of law is not obeyed, especially from the authority. And when we say the authority, like the court, orders are not obeyed. When there is a breach, when there is a defect in the operation of the rule of law, the negative impact goes to the society as a whole. If they don't have the foresight, as they say, the decision which they may reach, resulting in termination without going to court, it is part of the rules.
If somebody will use what we call self-help, because I'm bigger than you, I'm more powerful than you, I'm more connected than you, once such is used, it is not the rule of law, because there's actually no fair. Okay, and there's no fair. And that chapter 4, which takes from section 36, 33 to 47, enumerates all the rights which you have. But unfortunately in Nigeria, that right is not being
Where there is a break down of law and order, where maybe court orders are not kept, or the constitutional provisions are not honored, there is certainly going to be chaos. Relief provided by the law, they will not going to have it, and that alone is a very big problem, because the innocent person is going to suffer. Somebody comes and stampede me and takes over my property by force, I run to the court. I run to the court for the court to help me and get that thing back from me from the person who might be more powerful than me. And behold, the court has given the judgment in my favor. But unfortunately, I cannot execute that judgment because the person who thinks is more powerful than me has the connections I don't have. If you subject yourself to the court, that means you have accepted that jurisdiction. Yes.